Welcome to today's video. In the vast and spacious timber yard, a heavy truck loaded with large logs comes to a stop. Immediately from a distance, the Volvo L180F high lift begins to move closer. With its sturdy frame, flexible articulated steering system, and a powerful engine producing over 300 horsepower, this wheel loader approaches the truck smoothly yet decisively, demonstrating full control and precision from the operator inside the modern care cab. As it gets closer to the truck, the specialized high-lift arm slowly extends, carrying a large set of grapple forks. Unlike typical wheel loaders, the L180F high lift is specifically designed for handling timber. With a lifting height of nearly 6 meters and an extensive reach, it effortlessly accesses the highest part of the truck, eliminating the need for the truck to unload layer by layer. The operator adjusts the grapple to open wide, securely grasping a full load of timber. Thanks to the load-sensing hydraulic system, each movement, from gripping to lifting and lowering, occurs smoothly and accurately. The grapple can rotate and tilt flexibly, ensuring precise alignment of the load, even if the truck carries unevenly distributed or imbalanced timber. Once the logs are firmly gripped, the L180F slowly reverses and changes direction, heading toward the wood stacking area. Despite the rough terrain, the machine operates steadily, thanks to the lifting arm's suspension system that effectively reduces shocks, minimizing vibrations even when carrying heavy loads. Upon reaching the stacking area, the grapple once again proves its value, lowering the timber precisely into its designated spot. With its impressive lifting height and the ability to stack timber higher than a standard wheel loader, the Volvo L180F optimizes yard space, allowing for more wood to be stored in a smaller area. This process repeats itself. Approach, grip the wood, lift, move, stack. Everything flows rhythmically and efficiently, demonstrating that the Volvo L180F high lift is truly a machine built to dominate the timber yard, where power, reach, and precision must work together flawlessly. Hello everyone. In this video, the most advanced wood grinding, the Bobber 80R. This machine is the ideal to process large superior efficiency. The camera shifting beside the machine starting operation and begins drawing wood. The Bobber 80R is an automatic feeding system, an efficient introduction of wood. Powerful rollers pull the time and effort for the operator. The intake can handle large, including branches, wood debris, and the rotating drum engine, while the sharp blade wood. Inside the machine is a rotating drum equipped with extremely sharp blades. As the wood is fed in, the drum spins at high speed, quickly cutting and grinding the material into small pieces. These blades are specially designed to minimize wear and maintain continuous cutting performance throughout the operation. The camera zooms in on the wood particles, which gradually shrink and are pushed through openings to exit the machine. Thanks to its advanced cutting and grinding technology, the Bobber 80RM can easily handle hard woods, transforming them into wood chips of uniform size, typically ranging from 20 to 35 millimeters. After being ground, the wood chips are pushed through a discharge system, efficiently collecting the product. The screening system for the wood chips is clearly shown, with particles that do not meet the required size being sent back into the machine for regrinding. After the wood chips are ground, the Volvo L180F uses a screening system to ensure that only uniformly sized wood pieces are ejected. Any particles that do not meet the required size are sent back into the system for regrinding, ensuring high efficiency and minimizing material waste. The camera returns to show the machine in continuous operation, with the wood chips neatly piled beside the machine. With the capability to process between 5 to 8 tons of wood per hour, the Volvo L180F is an excellent choice for businesses that need an efficient and time-saving wood processing solution. It can handle wood with a diameter of up to 160 millimeters, providing a large amount of high-quality wood chips that can be used for various applications, ranging from biomass fuel for power plants to raw material for the paper industry. The machine continues to operate, with the grinding process running smoothly and consistently. The video concludes with a shot of the operator inspecting the ground wood chips. As you can see, the Volvo L180F can handle all types of wood quickly and efficiently. The machine not only provides performance benefits, but also helps reduce operating costs by minimizing material waste. The safety protection system is designed to ensure that the operation remains safe, reducing risks for the operator. At the end of the video, the operator stands next to the machine, smiling in satisfaction with the results of the work. Thank you for watching the video about the Volvo L180F wood chipper. With its optimized design and advanced technology, the Volvo L180F is truly an ideal solution for companies in the wood processing industry.